Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rajashri and I know it's been so long since I uploaded anything on my YouTube channel, but I'm finally back here, and in today's video I will be sharing my current skincare favorites which I have been using from the past couple of months. So without further delay, let's get into the video. The first thing which I use in my skincare routine is a makeup remover. I like to double cleanse my skin, so I go in with a makeup remover before my face wash. So this is the makeup remover I'm using currently. This is from Garnier. This is the Garnier Micellar Water. I know by now you all know what is this. This is a micellar water, so this helps to take off your makeup and sunscreen off your face. So this is what I'm currently using. This is very affordable, so I feel it's a great makeup remover if you're a beginner. So this is what I'm using currently. Okay, we are done with the makeup remover, and I have two favorites when it comes to face cleansers. And in my AM routine, I use this one from the Wand. This is the Daisy Extract plus Vitamin B face wash. I generally use this in my mornings because I don't have a lot of build-up and oil going on when I wake up in the morning. So this is what I use in my morning routine. And in my nighttime routine, after I cleanse my skin with the micellar water, I like to go in with this face wash. This is from Simple. Guys, no matter what skin type you have, no matter what skin concern you have, if you are looking for an affordable face wash option, I feel this is the one you need to go with. This is the most gentle face wash I have ever tried. Even this one is very gentle, but I feel if you have oily to combination skin, this might not be your favorite. But even though if you have oily skin, combination skin, normal skin or dry skin, you're going to love this one. This is a very good, very affordable face wash. This huge tub retails for 325 rupees only, and I feel it's a great deal. So this is my current face wash in my nighttime routine. So after I'm done double cleansing my skin, I generally try to go with a face mask every now and then, maybe 2 to 3 times a week. And the face mask which I'm like hooking on is this one from Shesha Ayurveda. This is the musk turmeric or wild turmeric powder. And trust me guys, from the day I got this one, I have never gone to other face masks, and this is the only thing I'm constantly using. And I am already done with one tub of this, and this is my second tub, and I'm also running out of it, and I also have a backup already. So that's how much I like it. This is a very good face mask, especially for summers. If you are looking for a very cooling, soothing and refreshing face mask which also deals with your tan issues, I feel this is the way you need to go. This is also available on Vanity Vegan, so you can use my code and get a little bit of discount on it. So this is the face mask which I'm currently obsessed with. I have two favorites when it comes to toners. One is a hydrating one and the second one is exfoliating one. I will be starting with the hydrating toner because I'm going to use it every single day, so I have a little bit to talk about it. And this is from the House of Pure by Priyanka. This is their Aloe Moisture Surge. This is a recent favorite, to be honest. I started using it maybe 20 days back, I guess, but from the day I started using it, I'm just constantly stuck to it. This is a very hydrating toner which soothes your skin and calms your skin in a very gentle manner. This has an aloe vera base to it, so if you are a person who likes aloe vera in your skincare routine, I feel you have to have this. So this is the toner which I'm currently using almost in both my AM and PM routine when I'm not using a chemical exfoliator, and this is working very well for me. So if you're looking for a hydrating toner for this summers, I feel this is a very good one. When it comes to chemical exfoliators in summers, I feel BHA or salicylic acid is a very clever option to go with, because in summers we tend to get so much of blackheads and whiteheads, and salicylic acid is one acid which works brilliantly for those problems. So I feel including a BHA in your routine is a very clever step to go with. And the salicylic acid toner which I am loving currently is from Dermy Texture. This is the salicylic acid toner. This got 2% salicylic acid and Centella asiatica extract and also sugar beetroot extract. So it's hydrating and moisturizing, and at the same time it's exfoliating, so you're not going to experience any kind of irritation or itchiness because of using this one, so I'm really loving this. I also have other BHA toners which I love, but they are on the expensive side, so I feel this is the toner which a beginner can start with because this is affordable and it's available easily. I have two serum favorites to talk about. The first one is from Dr. Sheth. This is their vitamin C serum from their new range, which is Clinique at the Rate Home. This is a very good vitamin C even if you are a beginner. This got a very stable form of vitamin C, so though it got 20% vitamin C in it, it's very stable, it's very soothing on the skin, it's not at all irritating on the skin whatsoever. So this is the vitamin C which I am obsessing over. It's working very well for my acne marks and hyperpigmentation which I have here and there. So this is the one serum which I use in my AM routine, and the second serum which I am currently loving is from Eclat. This is their fade out serum. If you are following me for a while, you know how much I love this one. I have an in-depth video on this already on my YouTube channel, so I will be linking it down in the description box, so you check it out if you want to know further information about it. But I generally try to use this in my night routine. You can also use an azelaic acid based serum in your morning routine, but because I use the vitamin C in my morning routine, I try to keep this for my night routine. So these are the two serums which I am currently loving. We are done with serums. Now let's quickly jump into moisturizers. I only have one moisturizer favorite which I'm like constantly going and constantly reaching out, and I have to get a backup of it as soon as possible, and it's from Bond. This is their barrier boost face formula. Guys, no matter what skin type you have, no matter what skin concern you have, I guess this is the one moisturizer which is going to keep everything in place. This moisturizer is very good because of its ingredients list. I'm not going to say this will suit very dry skin, but if you have oily to normal skin type, like oily combination and normal almost dry, you can get a very good use out of it. I have normal to dry skin because now it's summers and it's very humid. My skin is turning little oily to combination, so this is the moisturizer which I am loving currently. I'm really obsessed over this. If you're following me on Instagram and you follow my stories, you know that my skin have gone through a disaster lately and my skin started peeling and it got so irritated, and this is the moisturizer which saved the day. So if you have sensitive skin and no matter what moisturizer you use, nothing is working for you, I feel you have to give this a try because it got a very soothing formula to it. So if you have sensitive skin and you have conditions like rosacea, or you have very sensitivity near any part of your skin, this is going to seal the deal. So this is the moisturizer which I am currently obsessing over, and this is the only moisturizer I am trying to use now because my skin is very irritated as of now, so I don't want to experiment a lot. So yeah, no amount of sunscreen is too much of sunscreen in summer, so I got 4 favorites for you. The first one is from Kiehl's. This is their hybrid sunscreen. No matter what skin type you have, this is going to work brilliantly for you. If you are looking for a mineral sunscreen options, I have 2 options. This is from Dr. Sheth. This is their oat and zinc mineral sunscreen, but this got a very harsh white cast. So if you don't have a problem with white cast, this formula is beautiful. It's going to work very well for oily to combination skin. This got a very matte finish to the skin without making it dry. So I really like the formula of it. But anyways, the white cast is going to settle down after a couple of minutes. But if you have a problem with white cast, or if you come from dark skin tone family, I feel this is better for you. This is from Requel. This is their tinted sunscreen, and this don't give you a ghost like white cast. So if you're looking for a mineral sunscreen which doesn't have a white cast, I feel you have to try this one. And if you have dry to very dry skin, I feel the Bubble Farm sunscreen works very well for you. I unfortunately lost the component. I completely ran out of it, so I just kept it somewhere. I'm not able to find it. So yeah guys, those are my skincare favorites. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I will leave a link in the description box. Please follow me on Instagram too. And please stay at home, please stay safe. I know this is a very tough time for all of us, So try to meditate, try to work out, and try to do whatever makes you feel little better. And if you are tested positive, or if you are not feeling well, I feel you have to be very strong and brave at this time, because you have to be very confident at yourself. You're not going to get mentally weak, it's going to make things even worse. So yeah, we all are in this, and we all are going to fight against this. So yeah, I hope everyone is safe and healthy. I will see you in my next YouTube video. Until then, bye.